ngikhule kamnandi bekumnandi ekasi, bekuthi makuphela inyanga kube mnandi ekhaya. Bengihambe ekuseni ngiyohlala nabanye abantwana, ngakhula ngiyazama ngifuna imali. Kangaze nami ukuthi ngiyogcina sengijaha imali, kangaze nami ukuthi ngiyokhula ngibe mbali, kangaze nami ukuthi impilo inzima kangaka. Idlozi lami noNkulunkulu bayazi impilo engiphathelile, idlozi lami cela ugcine nami ngize ngiphumelele, nami ngihlala ethembeni ngiyazi ngizophumelela. Ngikhule kamnandi bekumnandi ekasi, ngikhule kamnandi bekumnandi ekasi, ngikhule kamnandi bekumnandi ekasi, ngikhule kamnandi bekumnandi ekasi.
One day I was at a bar, saw this one girl sitting at a table. You know how guys are. I went home, sat next to her. Ordered some beer, so they told me, put it on my tab. Yeah, bartender. We had a few shots and she started trusting me, telling me what's with their life, and she had no parents, was a juvenile delinquent. Yeah. Mama says she's proud, cause that boy is making it out.
Yeah.
Mama says she's proud.
She proud, she proud, she proud. She proud, she proud, she proud. She proud, she proud, she proud. She proud, she proud, she proud. She proud. Yeah, siyaspana zama ukuphumelela we say no. Ayy, limpilo inzima, we end up carrying guns with the soldiers. We fighting the poverty, XM motivates me, cause I'm trying to do some. It ain't really easy, boy, it ain't really easy, son. I'm the boy who's trying hard, why them tears started hard. I'm just stomachs really hard,